Make sure you pound until there is no lump or until you're satisfied. Okay. Pound until there is no lump. Turn up the fire until there is no lump. Debbie, the cocoyam looks so good. Thank you. This is the potatoes, baby. This one is the potatoes, Debbie. This one is the potatoes that we need to clean up. You clean up like so. You clean up like so, okay? And then you bring it all together like so. So this is the potatoes, how it's looking like. Are you seeing this? Are you loving the color? Guys, are you loving the color? Oh, the legend of the Bible, you're welcome. I didn't see you, you're welcome. Sorry if I didn't welcome you, okay? I didn't see you. You're welcome. So we need to serve like this. This is how we serve it. Do you guys love the color? Do you guys love the color? This is how we're going to eat the food. Guys, do you guys love the color, Debbie? Debbie and everybody. Do you guys love the color? Thank you. This is how the potatoes is looking like. Can somebody take a picture with the Irish potatoes? With the Irish potatoes. This is how it's looking like. Look, yummy. I love the color. My plate is here. Come on, Debbie, bring it up. So this is how it's looking like, okay? Woo, Debbie, look at the color. I love it. Who wants to take a picture? Debbie, take a picture and send to me. Debbie, take a picture like this and send to me, please. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, the color is coloring. Debbie, the house is smelling nice. Have you taken the picture? Let's go and serve the eggplant. Have you taken the picture, Debbie? Please take this picture and send to me, Debbie. Take it quickly and send to me. Woo! See the food? The food. Thank you. So now let's go to eggplant, okay? Let's go to eggplant and see. And see how the eggplant is cooking. Are you seeing the color? Are you seeing the color? So we'll close this. I want to pick these things on the floor so I don't smash the Yeah. Now let me take the picture of the eggplant. Who is ready for the eggplant? Debbie, are you ready? Are you ready for the eggplant? Are you ready for the eggplant? Are you ready for the eggplant? Yeah, the Debbie say,